Hi, Gary here. We are almost done. Only thing left to do is to graft the applied I-cord edges together, and then you will have completed your Make the Turn Infinity Scarf. So let's get started on this final step.
Okay, we are going to graft these two ends of the I-cord, applied I-cord together, or semi-graft. I'm not sure if this is technically grafting, but it will create a relatively invisible seam. So we are finished up with our I-cord. We have one I-cord stitch left to do. I've turned the work inside out and been working it on that side because it makes a nicer edge on the right-hand side. And so we'll do this last I-cord stitch. So you're going to pick up and knit one from the edge, slide your stitches, and then it is knit two, and knit two together through the back loop. So you're down to 3 stitches on your needles. One issue is that your working yarn is on the wrong side of the work, as it would be, and we need to get it over here to go from right to left. So take your tapestry needle. You'll need to leave a tail of, I don't know, 8 inches or so. You'll have plenty left over. And then what I do is I'm just going to slide it through the work so we get it on the right side. Then we are going to come up through the first stitch from right to left, from bottom to top, and then with the yarn through that, you can slide it off. Pull this out of the way. Then you are going to want to find your first I-cord stitch at the beginning of the work. So you've got 1, 2, 3 rows of I-cord. You're just going to find the V of that first stitch, so there it is, and go completely through that V. Pull it through, and then you're going to want to come down through the stitch where your first stitch from the needle, and you're going to go from, you can see the yarn coming through that stitch there. You want to go through that from top to bottom. There we go. Oops. Okay, so that is one done. Same thing again, you're going to come up from bottom to top, right to left, pop that off the needle, and then you're going to find the second I-cord stitch, so that would be this here. Go completely through the V, and then you're going to go down, back down through the stitch that came off the needle, from top to bottom, also right to left. And you'll see that's beginning to close up that I-cord. Last time through, oops. Okay, up through the stitch, get rid of the needle, and then you're going to find the last I-cord stitch, which is right there. Pull through there, and then back down through the stitch that came off the needle. And then you should have a relatively seamless I-cord graft. You can just weave in your ends and do it on the other side. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.
I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have enjoyed this entire project. Again, if you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to me at GaryKnits, GaryRides at gmail.com. Thanks so much.